Hello. In the previous video we learned about the sound E, but in this video we are going to learn about the new sound, and the sound is O. E, O. Okay. This is E and this one is O. And what is the action of O? O, 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 O. Okay. For example, if I will highlight this word, this is O, 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 and this one is but when we will put them together, the sound will be O, E, O, E, O. Okay. So we have to look at some words. The first word is horn. O, N, horn. O, N, horn. Ha, O, N, horn. And how many sounds in a horn word? 3 sounds. O, N, horn. Again, I will do it again for you guys. O, N, horn. And I'm gonna put this horn on the chart paper. And the next word is born. The next word is born. B, O, N, born. B, O, N, born. B, O, N, born. And how many sounds in a born word? 3 sounds. B, O, N, born. 3 sounds. B, O, N, born. Born. And the next word is corn. What is this? O, N, corn. O, N, corn. O, N, corn. O, N, corn. And how many sounds in a corn word? O, N, corn. 3 sounds. O, N, corn. And the last word is storm. O, N, storm. O, N, storm. O, N, storm. O, N, storm. And how many sounds in a storm word? Sounds in a storm word. Let me see. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds in a storm word. O, N, storm. O, N, storm. O, N, storm. And I'm gonna paste this the last word on the chart paper. Storm. So what is this? This is E, and this one is O. E, O, O. Okay, let's do it again. O, N, horn. O, N, horn. O, N, corn. O, N, corn. B, O, N, born. B, O, N, born. B, O, N, born. T, O, N, strong. T, O, N, strong. So this is E and this is O. E, O, E, O, E, O. So hope so you guys enjoyed my lesson. Allah Hafiz.